While developing this course, I made some assumptions about the student, and here are some of the assumptions that I made. You are already familiar with Xcode and you have developed a simple application in the past. You want to improve your skills and you want to improve your confidence in app development. You want to learn some of the new Apple APIs, such as Touch ID, how to use the 3D touch, how to do the quick action, and so on and so forth. You want to learn intermediate topics such as sending push notifications, how to draw with core graphics, how to use animation, CA layer, core data, and so on and so forth. You want to improve your Swift programming language. You want to take your Swift programming from basic to some more intermediate topics. These are the assumptions that I made. I did not go in depth in some of the basics. Most of the time, I just simply jump into the topics and teach it without having to explain some of the uh, basics that a beginner should know. If you think that you still need to learn about some of the beginning stuff, then you should check my old course. Thank you.